जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू दी PMA समाचार चैनल फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड द पीपल्स लिबरेशंस Army of China has increased the number of weapons in high altitude areas since the standoff of the Dolcom of 2017. China deployed quieted military experts Global Times as saying that the number is in India was not less than the number is in the year 2017 includes more weapons such as Jet-20 helicopter and GG-2 drone. G7, the Group of Seven, is an international intergovernmental economic organization consisting of seven largest IMF advanced economies: the world, Canada, France, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the United States. US President Donald Trump has suggested expansion of the group of saying GI is a very outdated group and that India, Australia, South Korea, and Russia be included and the group called G10 or G11. Trump also said he is postponing the next meeting of G7, which the US is hosting to September-October. Black people are in the streets. The acclaimed American writer James Baldwin said in 1968 has to do with the life they are forced to lead in this country, and they are forced to lead these lives by indifference and the apathy and a certain ignorance on the part of the co-citizen. A police officer kneels on the neck of a black man until he dies. The Amazon River in South America is the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world, and by most accepted definition it is in the second longest river in the world after the Nile River. Invention: electricity generator. A generator is a device that converts motive power into electrical power for use in an external circuit. The first electromagnetic generator, the Faraday disc, was invented in 1831 by British scientist Michael Faraday. Martin Luther was a German professor of theology, composer, priest, Augustinian monk, and a seminal figure in the Protestant Reformer. He was ordained to the priesthood 1507. He came to reject several teachings and practices of the Roman Catholic Church. In particular, he disputed the view on indulgences. Ladakh is a region administered as a union territory and constituting a part of the longer region of Kashmir, which has been subject of dispute. India and Pakistan and China since 1947. Masoor dal is an important part of the diet in many parts of the world, especially in the Indian subcontinent, which has a large lentil without skin and is red in color. Benefits: helps stabilize blood sugar level, keep the heart healthy by lower cholesterol, effective remedy against weight loss, nourishes teeth and bones. Jackfruit. The jackfruit, also known as jack tree, is a species of a tree in fig, mulberry and breadfruit family. Its origin in the region between the western of southern India and the rainforest of Malaysia. Benefits of jackfruit seeds: fight wrinkles, help in curing burns, mental stress and skin diseases, prevent anemia. Jasmine Shomback is a species of jasmine native to tropical Asia from the Indian subcontinent to East Asia. It is cultivated in many places, especially across much of South and Southeast Asia. Padasana is a hand balancing asana in modern yoga as exercise. The benefits of this exercise to remove the nervous problems. This asana is the best to cure. Utthita Padmasana is used to the people who are having physical work mode. Venus is the second world planet from the sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty as the second brightest nature in the night sky after the moon. Venus can cast shadow and can be, on rare occasion, visible to the naked in many broad daylight. Set theory, branch of mathematical logic that studies set, which informally collection of objects Although any type of object can be collected into a set theory is applied most often to objects, they are relevant to mathematics. So, it is used as a spice and also possesses a sweet taste, that is savory. Leaves are also used in curries in many parts of India. It helps in digestive aid and refreshment. Ritika, the little girl of Premalok Mission School Class 2, enchants everyone with her poetry. Today's event, Chocolate Macaroon Day, Running Day, Repeat Day. In view of possibility of storms in the country, the Home Minister of the country met with cooperation. The Vivid Bharati service of All Indian Random capitalized Combat Radio Salon in 1957. Vivid Bharati radio channel was launched on 3rd October 1957. All these programs are produced certainly at Vivid Bharati since Bodiviriya, Mumbai and uplinked to the satellite. Sports, Vinesh Phogat nominated for Khel Ratna and Rahul Deepak Punya and Sakshi Malik for Arjuna Award. For today's, that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः